Good day, my wonderful people. Now, remember to check out the Jamaica First Country First store. We're selling some holographic stickers in the support of equal education. So I want all viewers and subscribers to check out the store. We have our first hologram sticker up there for sale, and a proceed is gonna go towards education in one of these Caribbean islands or different Caribbean islands. So just help us to help education, because I think education is the key. Now with that said, I will be going live on TikTok in the next couple weeks. So you can check me out on TikTok and check me out on Instagram. But eventually I will be live over on TikTok. So you can log on and I will keep you guys updated. With that said, let's go.
No, but you can't see nothing. All they collecting money here from people, you know. All they charging big money for that room, you know. Don't tell me hush. Don't tell me that mouth hush. All they charging big money here for that room. Big money to stay here, right? And I have no security here to secure people things. My wife could have done there, and so could I. Right? That's what they tell me. Don't touch, because what? But everybody has to know what's going on here with all you. Because this is bullshit. We're telling me, forget we doing business in that room. Where's all the security? Where's all the cameras? What all you have in place here to secure people who stay in here? Well, you have nothing in place. Will you tell me about hush?
Yeah, me say, police just shoot a man in a ride. Going down Bacatel side at the top of Bacatel, catch him in the forward. Police can't stop the ride, the man has stopped. The police open the machine on the ride. And the man, I don't know, I feel the man die. The ride go down just on top of Bacatel. So just watch yourself when you're coming on them ends. Like right now, they're the roadblock.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Yo, mommy, with the good old, big up yourself. You know me attack, mystery lady, editor boss, St. Lucia boss, St. Mary boss. Yo, big up on yourself. Yo, me have some friend in Jamaica, you know, on the Waterford side of town. Me need them to link me. Oh, me not hear from one dog. Oh, me not hear from one. See, link Countryman, dog. You know me attack. See, one of the only friend we me have cross the waters. Alright? Now, we want to talk about this police killing that happened in the top of Bacatel in St. Lucia. And some people are say it's a stolen car and the man them thief car, but it is not. I don't feel it is a stolen car issue. I feel the issue right here is because I put the police them on to go to Bacatel. You understand? And the other place, and that's where the police them is, and they have been scouring, looking for guys, looking for the goal, doing different things. So yo, more give the police them respect.
Yeah, police chase. Man in the phone there, ride. Yeah, police shoot them and there was, a little Grand Theft Auto thing going on there, yeah.
Yeah, that was hard.
Very heavy, very hot.
No, we hear the brother him just said Grand Theft Auto. But my intel tell me that the police went to Babano and Bakatel and they're looking for these guys with the jewelry, and they're trying to hear about people selling the jewelry and stuff like that. And from the information that I provided, that's why the police them out there. Now, it seems like this guy, the police pull him over and him now want to stop. And the man them open up on it, them take whatever he might do as a threat. And wanna see how people life is worth nothing in St. Lucia, car maybe the man not even guilty or nothing. You understand? Maybe the man just like, fuck it, man, I stop. Cause me not trust you, and him get gunned down. So that's just one aspect. There's many more aspects towards a situation like that. And what make it even more and more frustrating, the St. Lucia police them, they do not like to give updates. They don't like to give information. They don't like to talk to the public. So it's just kind of weird, oxymoronish, because you are a police officer, you swear to upload to the public, but the man them, it's like, even a situation like this, we should have known, they should have come briefed, the whole island or whatever, but they just like, man, blah 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 blah. It's kind of crazy, yo. Yeah, so like I said, it has many different factors of this. Now, I want to show a picture. Wanna see that picture there? That boy there, in the red, him named Tis. The one with the blue arrow, that are Smoky. Last but not least, the yellow arrow, him named Boise. All of them boy, yeah. Now, I'm gonna name the crew, yeah. The ragtag them, yo. The ragtag thief them. Now, you see the one in the yellow, that's Coconut little brother. Him and Coconut is brother by father's side and different mother. Look at this picture right here. This is Tis. Now him come from Woodlum City, and him run Woodlum City for Marvin and holding it down for Marvin. Now we are gonna put all of this together, we are gonna put all of this together. Now if you look back in the video on the robbery where the man make to promote himself, PJ. Now you're gonna see a bunch of man in the video, and them man there are the man them are power with this where we are talking about right now, including them man here. Now this just a show now how the politics stay in St. Lucia. It is a different kind of badness when it comes to them badness, and the place is so small. You understand? It's like everybody know everybody. Let me go on an example. Now, if media Jamaica, now this is just imagination, hypothetical, not even hypothetical, imagination. And me get hot and do some things and get hot in a mobile. Me can leave Montego Bay and go Kingston, me can go St. Thomas, St. Mary, this, that, and start a new life, you know. You understand? And not have to deal with certain things down in a mobile. Now, in a St. Lucia, it's a little bit different, or I should say, it's a lot different. In St. Lucia, it is so close, everybody know everybody. But you might know a man who know a man who know a man. You understand? And that is why the crime, the badness, the gang thing is so more intense and so much more dangerous and very diabolical. Now, as me say, them youth here, Kodak, Michael, and Tis, Smokey, and Moorman, them know each other. And Tis him run the program here now in a Woodlum City until Marvin come out. So the whole of them link at that me I tell you now. Now me I show you the video. This is the promotional video that PJ made, and the reason why me I highlight this, if you look good in this video, you can see it was like more man in the back of them youth there. So you see behind Michael and the other youth, Kodak, you have some other set of man in there. All of them link up. And all of them link with Baboon King, Tits, and all of them. Now, let's remember, Tis, him run a network, you understand? Him sell underneath the CDC. Now, his brother, Tis brother, kill Baboon King, lieutenant, father, and the lieutenant father named Shem. Now, Shem is the lieutenant and him father named Shaka P. Let's move on. This brings me, remember me talk about a Bajan youth who is wanted by the police. You understand? And me can't understand why he would have there St. Lucia apart with them diabolical man. But editor boss, let me know say he must be wanted at Barbados. That's why him come a St. Lucia. Which it no make sense to me, but I guess it makes sense to him. That's why I'm end up dead. Yo, when I look on that picture, yeah. In the beginning of this video, I tell the police them good work. And me I tell them again, good work, because me know say on the day in a Babatat and Bakatel, I look for the goal, and it seems like everything is unraveling. So good work, Mr. God, good work. Now I am unraveling the Monster City gang phone. You see this picture right here? You have Junior, you have Small Garden, Medkai and Tis. Remember now, Tis along with Chunky and another youth, can't remember the youth name right now. Them around Woodlum City, which Baboon King Marvin come from, and them mix up in everything. So me just show you the connection. Okay? The next youth when I couldn't remember him name Try. So them around the CDC and Upper Marsha. Now that away Stinking Butt come from. I wanna know who a Stinking Butt. That the one with them called Cut Butt. Lean Back Brother, Frosty. Look to the right of your screen. That's chunky. See, mother big in the government, so police now fuck with him. Him a Marvin, man a Marvin, Baboon King, right hand man too. I'ma just talk about him. And you see that one, the name Blood? Him work with Marvin to up and down do things for Marvin. So yo, me just want to show you how small and how that place has stay. All of the man them a link in some kind of way. Now, with that said, let's go. Look to the right on the screen. That are the Bayesian boy when me talk about. And when you know say him dead. And me ask enough people, who are you there, who are you there, them don't know who. But we know who. Now, Editor Boss point out something very, very important to me. And it just show that the Countryman are talk about a facts. Now, that you there, me I show you something. Look at that picture right there. You see the tag? He still has the tag from the jewelry store robbery on the chain. Let me show you an even more closer picture, a magnified picture. Check this out. Now look at this picture. You see? That's the tag from the jewelry store. So even in the car where him lay down dead, cause the picture and the video them a float out there. You can see the rings them on him finger. So remember now, I told you guys that a Bayesian guy was wanted by the police for other crimes. And I also told you guys that he was a part of the robbery crew with Pops and Kodiak, Michael. Then we realized Tis and Smokey and the other man them all Link and Baboon King. So all of them is one gang. You understand? Or them all have some linkage. Now him leave Barbados, run out of Barbados, and him pick St. Lucia for the hideout. The man them think say St. Lucia is something to play with. St. Lucia is not something to play with. See how quick them push him out and kill him? And that's how St. Lucia is. So listen, police, I gave another tip. I told you guys where man and man is. And I notice you all are reacting and going into that area. Now, I spoke about the Bayesian guy. And now them end up killing. And as you can see, he's wearing the evidence on his neck. Because I just highlighted that. And that's how St. Lucia is. So PJ, Countryman, solve your gold robbery and what happened to you. And as you move forward, PJ, you need better security for your stuff. And once again, I have shown and I have proven with facts right here how diabolical and how dangerous St. Lucia is. And I hope the police and the government get a better grip of this situation. Now, I said I was gonna do a video on witness protection, but I'm just gonna talk about it for a little bit in this. Now, if the country and if the government wants to move forward in crime fighting, them have to come with a better witness protection program, because I've heard the assistant police commissioner made a speech, and if I was a witness in a crime in St. Lucia, yo, my skin, I would have to run away. My skin would have crawled, because pretty much he's saying there is no witness protection program. If somebody chooses to work with us, it's at their own risk. And how are you gonna, my question is, how are you gonna close cases? Look how much female dead in St. Lucia. Look how much man are dead. Look how much unsolved murder. How do you expect people to put their life at risk? You understand? And help you guys. So I'm gonna have to really come up with a real viable reality plan, because in certain foreign land, like for example the US, I have to use the US, them have a system where for witness protection, it's the US Marshal that runs that. You understand? And that's a separate entity from FBI, from this, from that. So the witness protection program in America, it works. You see what I'm saying? So there is no reason why St. Lucia, Jamaica, all these fucking Caribbean islands, pardon my language, cannot come up with a viable witness protection program, but these government, them can line them bomber-clad pocket with money, and people just sit down and take that. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Now, with that said, I have solved the robbery time and time again. I just proved the link between all the man them and the police. Good work, and I hope the police follow up on what I just dropped. Now, listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.